We got a little simplifying exponents here for you. So go ahead and pop it in the chat what you think it is. Hi, I'm Sarah. There's something going on in your math class? Having a little trouble? Have a test coming up? Let me know in the comments. I've been a math and science educator for over 20 years, and I'm here to make math and science engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. If you are looking for tutoring, extra math help, anything like that, click the link and do this stuff. All right, so when we're looking at these, we got to talk about some exponent rules, right? So we've got these exponents going on. We've got 4x cubed y squared z over 2x squared yz to the fourth. So when we're looking at this, the first thing we want to do is I like to really just work left to right. Now, if you're going to work left to right, what I would also recommend is if you are given a problem where they're not in the same order, like X, Y, Z or A, B, C or whatever, move them around so you are looking at them all kind of in the same sort of like terms, kind of. It's not exactly like terms, but same variable, things like that, right? So 4 over 2 becomes 2. Okay. So I'm going to keep track of what's on the top and the bottom. Okay. And we're going to look at these as fractions, right? So they're going to kind of simplify down. So x cubed over x squared. If we think about our exponent rules, right, we would subtract 3 minus 2, which is 1. But we can also think of it as these two x's down here cancel out 2 of these x's up here. So this goes away, and that becomes 1. Okay, no x to the 1 power or anything to the 1 power is just itself. So this is just an x. Okay, so y squared over 1, or sorry, y squared over y to the 1, right? This one cancels out one of those. So we've got y to the 1, but we don't have to write the 1 because it's right there. Then we've got z, we've got one of the z's on top and 4 on the bottom. So now this one cancels out down at the bottom. And it just cancels out one of them. Or you can look at 1 minus 4 would give me -3, which means it goes on the bottom. So this, I've got 3 z's left on the bottom. So there, we've got 2xy over z to the third. Yay! Got a couple of right answers in there. Excellent. You should be very proud of yourselves. Right? So we're looking at, so there's a few different ways to kind of work this out. You can think of it with the exponent rules where you're subtracting with the division, or you can think of it as just kind of like canceling out, right? And actually canceling out the exponents or canceling out the variables is where that division rule comes into play and where it kind of all comes from. That's mapped up.